Today I'll be showing you my script for a very basic modern website. As you can see, it's got two pages, the home page and the services page where people can subscribe to your business. Speaking of, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Go to the description for a special prize. You can use the image tag to upload an image. Use my cheat sheets down in the description below in order to understand this. Now, you can see a table. Here's how to create one. Use the table row and table column tags. A form is a very useful piece of kit when it comes to websites. HTML provides an easy way to use it. It is basically a table, but you have to use the form tag. Well, that is all for now. For the next project, we will create a button that users can press. Excited? That's good. Thanks for watching.